God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in, my friend. Listen closely to me this morning, because this word is coming with the weight of deliverance and the authority of heaven. You have been standing in a storm that has lasted longer than you ever expected. A storm that has worn you down, stretched your faith, tested your resilience, shaken your confidence, drained your strength, and pushed you to the edge of your emotional limits. You have cried prayers you didn't have words for. You have whispered questions only God heard. You have battled thoughts you never spoke aloud. You have fought through days that felt heavy and nights that felt endless. But hear me now, with the full attention of your spirit, God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Not easing it, not reducing it, not managing it, not balancing it, ending it. The winds are about to cease. The waves are about to calm. The pressure is about to lift. The heaviness is about to break. The darkness is about to clear. The chaos is about to quiet. The confusion is about to dissolve. The fear is about to fade. You have endured the storm long enough. You have carried the weight long enough. You have walked through the rain long enough. You have survived the turbulence long enough. You have questioned long enough. You have cried long enough. You have battled long enough. You have held on long enough. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you have been in an emotional storm. Your heart has been torn between what you feel and what you hope for, between what you lost and what you believe is possible, between holding on and letting go. You've been living with emotional waves that rise and fall without warning. Some days you felt strong. Other days you were barely holding on. Your heart has been weary. Your soul has been tired. Your emotions have been unpredictable. But God is calming that storm. The emotional roller coaster that has drained your peace is ending. The weight on your chest is lifting. The soul heaviness you've been hiding is breaking. Peace is returning to places inside you that haven't felt calm in a long time. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you have been in a mental storm, battling thoughts that felt louder than truth, wrestling with anxiety that appeared out of nowhere, struggling with worst-case scenarios, tormented by worry, overwhelmed by fear, unable to quiet your mind no matter how hard you tried. You've been exhausted mentally even when you did nothing physically. Your mind has been overthinking, overanalyzing, overstressing. You've been mentally spinning. But that storm is breaking. God is silencing the mental noise. He is restoring clarity. He is bringing peace to your thoughts. He is releasing burdens you were never meant to carry. You are about to wake up with a quiet mind. You are about to sleep with a peaceful spirit. The overthinking that tormented you is ending. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you have been in a financial storm. Things have been tight, stressful, unstable, unpredictable. You've been juggling bills, stretching income, making sacrifices, carrying responsibilities heavier than your resources. You've been wondering, God, when will this change? When will things stabilize? When will I breathe financially? And God is saying, the strain you've been under is ending. Unexpected provision is coming. Doors of opportunity are opening. Resources are being positioned. What has been scarce will become sufficient. What has been barely enough will become more than enough. What has been stressful will become sustainable. The storm in your finances is ending. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you have been in relational storms, conflict, misunderstanding, distance, tension, heartbreak, betrayal, disappointment, confusion. Connections you once trusted became strained. People shifted unexpectedly. Relationships broke without explanation. Some left without closure. Some changed without warning. Some disappointed you deeply. But God is ending that storm. He is bringing healing where there was pain, clarity where there was confusion, peace where there was tension. He is restoring what can be restored, removing what must be removed, and strengthening what is purposed. The relational storm that broke your heart is ending, and God is bringing a new level of emotional stability to your life. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you have been in a spiritual storm, feeling disconnected, feeling distant, feeling dry, feeling uncertain, feeling spiritually overwhelmed. Moments where prayer felt heavy, worship felt difficult, faith felt strained. You tried to stay strong, but the storm made it hard to feel God's presence. You questioned yourself. You questioned your calling. You questioned your spiritual strength. You questioned your endurance. But even when you felt distant, God was never far. And now He is ending that storm. Your spiritual life is about to be revived. Your passion is returning. Your fire is being restored. Your hunger for God is being renewed. The spiritual storm that shook your faith is ending. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you have been in storms that affected your identity. You questioned who you were, questioned your worth, questioned your purpose, questioned your path, questioned your value. The storm made you doubt yourself in ways nothing else could. But God is ending that storm. He is speaking identity back into you, identity that can't be shaken by circumstances or broken by seasons. You are stepping into a season of clarity, confidence, and alignment. Your self-perception is being restored. Your identity is being strengthened. Your confidence is being rebuilt. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some storms ended things. Some storms exposed things. Some storms removed things. Some storms clarified things. Some storms purified things. But every storm had a purpose. None of it was wasted. The storm did not destroy you, it developed you. The storm did not break you, it built you. The storm did not drown you, it deepened you. The storm did not weaken you, it refined you. The storm did not defeat you, it prepared you. You did not survive the storm for nothing. You came out wiser. You came out stronger. You came out more resilient. You came out more disciplined. You came out more focused. You came out more spiritually sensitive. You came out with deeper faith. Storms are classrooms for destiny. And you graduated. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you thought the storm was permanent because it lasted so long. You thought the struggle was forever because the breakthrough took time. You thought the season would never shift because the darkness lingered. You thought the pain became your identity because it stayed longer than you expected. But storms have limits. Storms have boundaries. Storms have expiration dates. Storms are temporary even when they feel overwhelming. Your storm is ending not because circumstances changed, but because heaven declared it. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you have been trying to keep yourself together while everything around you is falling apart. You encouraged yourself when no one understood your struggle. You prayed even when you felt empty. You pushed forward when quitting felt easier. You smiled while holding back tears. You kept commitments while quietly battling discouragement. You showed up for people while no one knew you were breaking inside. You survived days you didn't think you could survive. And God saw every moment. He saw the tears that never fell. He saw the prayers you whispered. He saw the weight you carried. He saw the nights you didn't sleep. He saw the quiet battles in your heart. He saw the storms raging in your spirit. And today he is saying, enough. I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you are about to feel peace in places where you only felt pressure. You are about to experience clarity in places where you only felt confusion. You are about to experience stability in places where you only felt chaos. You are about to experience joy in places where you only felt sorrow. You are about to experience strength in places where you only felt weakness. Some of you will wake up and realize the heaviness is gone. The fear is gone. The anxiety is gone. The torment is gone. The tension is gone. The confusion is gone. The storm is ending. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some storms end suddenly. Some storms end gradually. Some storms end quietly. Some storms end dramatically. But this storm, your storm, is ending divinely. Not by chance, not by luck, not by circumstance, not by coincidence, but by divine command. God spoke to the winds in your life. God spoke to the waves in your heart. God spoke to the chaos in your mind. God spoke to the pressure on your spirit. God spoke to the forces attacking your peace. God spoke to the burdens suffocating your hope. Peace. Be still. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you will notice that the things that used to trigger you won't trigger you anymore. The things that used to overwhelm you won't overwhelm you anymore. The things that used to intimidate you won't intimidate you anymore. The things that used to steal your joy won't steal your joy anymore. Because the storm changed you. The storm strengthened you. The storm stretched you. The storm sharpened you. The storm prepared you. And now the storm is ending. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you went through storms that other people never witnessed. Not because you were hiding, but because God was protecting your process. Not everyone could handle your storm. Not everyone could understand your storm. Not everyone could walk with you through your storm. Some storms are meant to be walked out with God alone. And now God is saying, your private storm is about to bring public peace. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some of you are stepping into a season of rest. Rest in your mind. Rest in your emotions. Rest in your decisions. Rest in your relationships. Rest in your finances. Rest in your spirit. Not rest because you're tired, but rest because the storm has ended. Some of you will step into a season of rebuilding. rebuilding your confidence, rebuilding your plans, rebuilding your dreams, rebuilding your relationships, rebuilding your faith, rebuilding your joy. Not rebuilding from destruction, but rebuilding from transition. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. Some storms break what needed to break. Some storms destroy what needed to end. Some storms purify what needed cleansing. Some storms reveal what needed to be seen. Your storm did not fail you, it freed you. It freed you from small thinking. It freed you from limiting beliefs. It freed you from unhealthy attachments. It freed you from emotional dependency. It freed you from false identities. It freed you from environments that could not carry your future. The storm ended what needed to end. And now God is ending the storm itself. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. You are entering a season of clarity after confusion, a season of stability after turbulence, a season of direction after wandering, a season of peace after pressure, a season of joy after sorrow, a season of restoration after loss, a season of strength after weakness, a season of purpose after survival. God does not end storms without beginning seasons. God said, I'm ending the storm you've been in. And when the storm ends, the sun doesn't ask permission to rise. It rises because the darkness can no longer hold it back. And neither can anything hold you back now.